Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we're going to be installing paint protection film to the headlights right here. So we're going to be doing a bulk install. You can buy these on eBay and our website at m2mdetail.com. The links will be in the description. So pretty much for a bulk install, we're just going to have a piece of PPF, and then we'll have to hand trim it at the end after we install, around the corners, around the edges, all that. Or you can also buy the pre-cut kits that are pre-cut for your vehicle. The pre-cut kit for this vehicle is really difficult for people to install, so we're just going to do a bulk one, get this video up for you guys so you can also do a bulk way, get more film, and it's easier for the installing purposes. So let's get into the video. As always, we're going to be using baby shampoo for our slip solution, and then we're going to be using hot water for our tack solution. You can also use 20% alcohol with water, and then we're going to be using our PPF Hornet, maybe the turbo, and then we also have a 3M card. So it all depends which one we're going to be using on it. Some areas we'll probably be using the PPF, some areas we'll use the turbo, all depends. We will prep it with the M2M Detail Surface Prep. If you guys want to get some of this, it's on our website. This is the shop one, so it has no label, but yeah, so that'll be linked in the description as always. And let's get into the video. I'm gonna put you guys on the GoPro on the head. We're gonna cut up material, measure it out, and then we'll start installing. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So like I said, we're gonna be spraying it down pretty good, top to bottom, guys. You wanna control it, make sure everything goes down to the bottom. That looks good. Nice little lubricant on that. Put some on our hands. Let's grab our PPF and peel it back. There you go. Get a nice little part back. Spray it all down. And there we go. So there we go, guys. We got our hot water. We got our tools. Get that out of the way, and let's throw this on. So there we go. So first impressions, this shit's gonna suck. So if you guys see this isn't the issue. This is the issue right here, guys. You can see if you even try to tack that down right now, it ain't gonna work. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lock in this edge right here. Nice little lock. We're gonna lock down this front side right here. So it's gonna have more area to hold on to. There we go. There we go. Now we're gonna get some right here. Right there at the bottom. There we go. Let's get this top locked in. Right there, and a little slip solution on it, so the squeegee moves nicely on it. There we go. So now this is locked in right here, as you guys could tell. Now we're going to be pulling from this way. So now we'll get our baby shampoo, make sure nothing's sticky back here. There we go. We want to be able to pull that really hard, guys. This one's going to be a real tight pull. So we'll get our tack, put it right here at the end, and then grab our squeegee real quick before we start. Hot water. Just to help relax the film, let's pull the stretch. Oh, let's grab I left my squeegee over there, so grab our squeegee again. And pull. All right, guys, so see if we can make that lock down right there. There we go. hold it, let it chill for a bit. We're gonna want to keep this locked right there. You see we got some big fingers down here we're gonna have to deal with, but we need to get this top in and then we could pull it down. So there we go. Lift this up. So we're gonna come up just like that. So you guys can see we got this nice and locked in. We got to work on this area. Not a big deal. We're just gonna have to pull it and then put some tack in there. So let's get some tack. Get this lifted a little bit right there. Get that air bubble out. And so what happened there is that there we go. So lift it, get it locked in right there. There we go, guys. So you can see we're getting a little issue right there, pulling back. No biggie. Let's lock that in. So with the bulk installer, guys, you're gonna have some issues holding down the material because the slip solution, the tack solution could just slide right back in it. Where, let me show you. So you go like this, it'll hold and then it comes right back up due to the film being over it, which isn't a big deal. It just takes a little bit longer to install. So lift that up, get some tack in there, and there we go. So you guys can see how we're slowly working it down. Not putting too much tension on the bottom, just enough so we could get our fingers out. So get a little bit more in there. So we're just gonna pull it down a little bit. There we go. All right, guys, so that one's gonna be drying for a little bit. There we go. See how it looks on the headlight. Looking good. There we go. So same as last time, we're gonna lock down our front area, guys. So get some hot water in there on the outside too. Oh. So let's see, that looks good right there. So let's grab our squeegee and let's lock this into place. There we go. We don't want it to be lifting up too easily like that, so we're all locked in. There we go. See how to check it. Oh, still pulls up pretty easily. Let that chill for a minute. There we go. Now, guys, this stretch is going to be crucial. So last time when we stretched it, we got the top, no problem. This didn't work out though. So this time on the stretch, we're gonna stretch the shit out of this material so we're able to make that curve on the bottom. So pretty much we're gonna go through and lift. So then we'll do a little thing different. We're gonna stretch it really hard and we're gonna tack as we go through. So let's see if that works out better. Cause guys, these headlights are one of the hardest headlights I think I've done. There we go. Oh, we got a little stretch right there. Okay. Now we're gonna go back up. A little too much. Spray some tack. And wish you guys could see my stance right now. I look like an idiot. But we are trying to get this stretched all the way through, guys. So let's see if we could. That's not gonna lock down right now. Just hold it for a minute and nope. Hold it. Nope. Hold it. There we go. Nothing. It's popping up. Let's get this down. I don't know how. Nowhere to get in right there. There we go. So let's pull that again and do little by little. There we go. Got that nice and locked in. As you guys could tell, the bottom looks way better than the other side did at this stage. I don't even know if I'm gonna show you guys the other stage or the other side, because that took a minute. It took some minutes, so let's get this top locked in. I don't want to deal with this anymore. So there we go. And nope, of course not. That would be too easy if it locked in the first squeegee, right? So what we're doing now, try and move this wire out of the way, get that locked in right there. We're just gonna hold it for a while, guys, because I really need to get this back in right here. There we go. So we do got a stretch mark right there, not a big deal. Let's see. Still coming out. There we go. Let's get this nice and down. Hold that for a minute, guys. Hold that for a minute. So there we go. And let's see if we could hold that down for a minute. Get that curve done. Spray some hot water, relax this film real quick, guys, because it is going through it. So get that in there and hold it. Let's get this lifted off the paint so we get some more play right here. There we go. Looking good. There we go, guys. Let's get this squeegee out. We don't want that in there. Nice. Let's get this bottom done. Gonna have to lift it a little more. Get all this air out, guys. Air does not go away. Bam. I have to work on that corner again, just like the other one from the stretching. There we go. Let's see how this one came out. So peel it off the paint real quick. There we go. I'm gonna tear it right there. Okay. There we go. Get this. Bam. Okay, guys. So that's that. Let's grab our heat gun again and let's put down these edges real quick, all the way around. So high heat, high setting. And we're just gonna work all edges down. So you might have to do this 2 times. So bam. All right guys, let's do a little quick wipe down. Make sure everything looks good up to our standard. Let's use chemical we want to use today. We'll do a little M2M detail, instant detailer. Put a little spray on there. Nice little. Be able to wipe it down real quick, see any issues. That's just liquid, not really worried about that, guys. Whew. And they are protected. I've been lagging on these guys because I knew they were super hard to do. And how do I know that? It's because I tried them one time and I was like, damn. I tried doing a pre-cut and the pre-cut just, that didn't work out, guys. Sometimes you just have to do like a bulk headlight. And these are one of them where you just have to bulk install them. So let's close the hood. And voila. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was not fun, not easy. One of the hardest headlights I think I've done in a while. The last hard ones I did were a pre-cut for a 2020 Porsche. I think it was the 911 or the 992. Those are really bubbly, and with a pre-cut, it's hard to make it take that shape. So this is why we did bulk install on these, because I knew this was gonna be super difficult. But guys, they look great, they look brand new, and they're gonna be protected. As always, you guys remember, this is protected, this is already done, these are done, these are done. All the plastic is ceramic coated, the whole vehicle is ceramic coated. Wheels aren't coated yet. The windshield is all coated with ceramic, and we have tint 70%. Then we have 25% on the side, ceramic. All the plastic, ceramic coated. We have 3M taillight tint right here, medium shade. Got our emblems. And you guys saw the last video, we got the bed liner sprayed, Line-X premium. So, hope you guys enjoyed the quick video, which it wasn't too quick. And thank you for struggling with me in that video, because I had a hell of a time installing these. They're not easy, not fun, but gotta get them protected, guys, because let's oh, so we broke the lock. What are we going to do, guys?